Consider the following problem. Take the natural numbers and divide them into groups of 3. Then sum the numbers in each group. So 1, 2, 3 would be group 1 and would sum to 6. 4, 5, 6 would be group 2 and the sum would be 15. 7, 8, 9 would be group 3 and the sum would be 24, and so on. What would the 3 numbers be in the thousandth group? Let's just call them X, Y, and Z. And in addition, what would they sum to? Pause the video and give this problem a try, and please put your answers in the comment section. Let's write the groups as follows. Group 1, which is 1, 2, 3, we write as 1, 2, and the 3 as 3 times 1. Group 2, which is 4, 5, 6, we'll write as 4, 5, and the 6 as 3 times 2. And group 3, which is 7, 8, 9, we'll write as 7, 8, and the 9 as 3 times 3. We can see that the multiples of 3, in other words, the 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on, we are just writing as 3 times the group number. So 3 times 1, 1 would be the group number. 3 times 2, 2 would be the group number. And 3 times 3, 3 would be the group number. So let's have a look at the thousandth group. Remember, we're going to call this group X, Y, and Z. Now we can write this as X, Y, Z is equal to XY, 3 times the thousandth group, which is just equal to XY, 3,000. Now we know that Y is 1 less than 3,000, so Y would be 2,999, and we know that X would be 1 less than Y, so X would be 2,998. So our 3 numbers are 2,998, 2,999, and 3,000. All that remains is to sum the 3 numbers. It's very easy just to take the biggest number, 3,000, multiply it by 3 to get 9,000, subtract 1 for the 2,999, and then subtract 2 for the 2,998. So in other words, 9,000 minus 3, which is 8,997. And that's the answer. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.